Welcome back. In this lesson, we're looking at one of the most underrated skills in the IELTS speaking test, pacing and pausing. If you speak too fast, you'll lose clarity. If you speak too slowly, you might sound unsure. Let's find that perfect rhythm. So why does pacing matter? Well, IELTS examiners are trained to listen for fluency and coherence. That means your speech should sound natural, not rushed, not robotic. Just like native speakers, you should speak at a comfortable speed, pause naturally at punctuation points, emphasize important words with your voice, avoid and ah fillers by replacing them with thoughtful pauses. Listen to this rushed response. I think the best holiday I ever had was in Japan, where the food was amazing and the people were kind and I went to so many places. Now listen to the same response with better pacing. I think the best holiday I ever had was in Japan. The food was amazing. The people were kind and I visited so many beautiful places. Hear the difference? Here's how to use the rule of pause. 1 second pause after a full stop. A half-second pause after a comma. Pause before and after important phrases to create impact. For example, to be honest, I prefer working alone. In my opinion, schools should focus more on creativity. Now it's your turn. Read the sentence below out loud and follow the pause marks. Here's a quick tip. Slowing down a little makes you sound more confident. It also gives you thinking time, which is golden in the IELTS test. Mastering your pacing and pausing helps your speech feel natural, confident, and clear. It also reduces your need for fillers and gives you time to think. A small shift, but a huge impact.